Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts here, and what I have here in front of me are the Ram side step end caps. They're black plastic durable caps that go on the end of your side step in case they're missing or broken. They do have the Ram logo on them, and they do come with a set of 4 screws, 2 for each one. As you can see, you got the holes down here on the bottom on where to screw in your little screws here. All you need is a screwdriver, and they're very easy to install. I will show you on a Ram truck. Okay guys, so here we have the Dodge Ram with the end caps on the side step. So in case you do lose these, you can buy these from us. They're very inexpensive. They do come with 2 screws for each end cap, and I'll show you where those screws go. So this is where you would screw into the end cap so it doesn't fall off. But it's not very hard to install. All you do is just put it there and hit it with your hand to completely secure it onto there, and then just screw the 2 screws in so it doesn't fall off. But the reason you would want to replace these is because you either lost them, or they're broken, or they're old already, but you don't want like a huge gaping hole in the side of your side step. So you know, you can purchase these very inexpensive, so you don't have to buy the whole side step. Alright guys, so if you guys are interested in the end caps here, we will have them in the link listed below. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on our YouTube channel, Mopar Wholesale Parts, and follow us on our Instagram page, Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.